Oh hey, welcome back. Y'all, I had a long ass night. I'm back home right now in CT. I'm about to put these clothes in the machine. Me and Dan about to get a pedicure and a large smoothie before I get home and put Vlogmas day number 9 and 10 up. Was it done? No, 10 and 11 up. I'm exhausted. But I had a really good night last night. Happy birthday to Whitney. We turned all the way up yesterday for her birthday. It was a great fucking time. But I'm about to wash these sheets right now, guys, because y'all know I got a duvet set. You know what? I think I'm about to throw these white sheets out. I don't even think I need these sheets. I'm gonna throw these white sheets out because I just bought a new fitted. Oh my god, was that a? Yeah, I did. I'll just wash it. Nah, I'm gonna buy it. I bought new sheets. I'm gonna just toss that one out. You gotta get rid of white sheets instead of keep trying to wash them. But I'm about to wash these clothes. Then we're gonna get some smoothie. Let me show you how Dan parked last night, because y'all know I wasn't driving last night. No way. Look at how Dan parked this car. I just gotta show you guys this. Look at how close up my car is. Like, I don't understand. And guys, she probably scratched my grill up and everything, bro. Like, she parked the car right here. I mean, when I used to live here, I was able to park my car fine, but they got a workout machine back here. They got a couple of boxes because Dan loves to order shit. But look at how she parked my baby. But I really appreciate that. Like, she drove last night back home, so yeah. I gotta bring some clothes in Connecticut because you guys know I love coming to stay here now since I'm alone. It's just, you know, I got a home here, which I love, so. And we got a washer and dryer, so you know. Drink?
No, nah.
Wow. How could you do this to me? Oh my god, look how pretty. Don't you like the little, look at the things they put. I need something like that's cute. The little boxes. I'm looking. Yeah, we going to Sephora?
No, I haven't ordered my.
You see that Tasha? Wow, look at my skin. Looks good. Rollbacks it is, baby.
Why they?
Okay, it's pedicure day, baby. Oh, as a matter of fact, what about like a nice pink?
I know.
It's a cute little pink color. Right, white and basic, period. Oh, look at these right here. What is this? Ballerina slipper. Ballet slipper. I'm gonna get one of these because these is kind of like white pink. Is this white?
I kind of like this color right here. This OPI color.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting one of these.
Recording after show?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, so I videotape my life. You see these clothes? Look at yours, and she began. Alright guys, I got my toes done. Dan's still inside because Dan is getting a manicure as well. Y'all know I don't do that. Dan gave me some nails though, which I was super happy about. So I got these nails right here, which I'm probably gonna put on. I should just put these on right now. I think I'm gonna put these on now or probably put them on tomorrow because 2 of my nails fell. One nail broke last night and then another nail went missing, so I'm gonna switch these out. But yeah, I really gotta get back to the house. I gotta dry these clothes, my sheets at the house. We're gonna do a quick little bit of shopping. I feel like I gotta use the bathroom too. My stomach's starting to rumble it on up. How about these little flats right here? Look where I put my bag in.
Look at these.
Those are cute. I thought these were cute, no? You know, I got my fresh Piggly Wigglies in or whatever.
I need the ones.
Oh, these are cute.
You know, I've always wanted these.
Yeah. How do those fit? Oh, these.
Never.
They're probably cheapy. These hats are cute. Look at the snow. Let it. Oh, the bad hair day one is type of cute.
This one, I like that. The bad hair day.
Very cute Walmart. The jewelry is jewelrying today, you know? They got their little selection of jewelry.
No, I can't drink.
No, I don't want any of no drinking, none of that. Look at these hips on parentheses. A little strawberry lemonade. Take time. Go ahead, touch the top of the bread. Let's see the top of the bread. Ooh, it is. Thank you. Why is that giving all the vibes right now?
I don't know why. I was not paying attention to that.
Alright, I found the command hooks or the knockoff command hooks at the Dollar Tree. You know it. Only $1. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself. She took the sponges that I got. Oh, the Brillo ones right there. A pack of sponges too. Y'all already know what it is. Tonight is a smooth move night. I put some ginger turmeric tea in here as well, but I gotta get my smooth move in. I've been eating so bad lately, so I need to really detox a little bit. I also did add a little bit of this ginger, honey ginger tea, the matcha flavor one. I just added a little bit. This has like a little bit of flavor and it gives a little bit of sweetness. So I added a few of that in there as well. So I'm only making 8 ounces for tonight. Don't y'all just love this cup? The cup goes so well with the holidays. Cozy nights, baby. Cozy nights. So I'm practically doing not that much right now. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got today when I went to Dollar Tree. And yeah, I basically cleaned up the house the other day. You guys watched Vlogmas. My office needs to be clean. The entryway area is fine, guys. I actually just cleaned it up. I only leave the luggages there because I'm leaving again in a few days, as a matter of fact. Well, like 2 weeks. 2 weeks, a week and a half. So that's why I leave the luggages there, because I'm leaving again, so it doesn't really matter. But other than that, everything else looks really good in here. Very cozy, very holiday. Look at that little holiday corner, okay? Come on, people. Look at that little holiday corner. So I'm just hanging out right now. About to have this tea, have some Allegra. And yeah, I leave my Allegra right here, which is weird, but that's why I do leave my Allegra. And yeah, I'm about to have some Allegra. Then I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to eat, because I have leftovers from today when I went to Outback. I had a piece of chicken, some asparagus, and I also have some rasta pasta from this weekend. So I think I'm about to just eat the rasta pasta this weekend, add the chicken and everything, and just make it like a little meal. And my mom did buy me food last night, and I had the food, but I'm going to just eat it tomorrow because I don't plan on cooking. Tomorrow's just a film day for me, so I need to already have a meal that's already made. So she ordered like fried red snapper, some rice, some marinade, like the whole frita type of thing for me. So I'm going to have that tomorrow twice. Alright guys, so this is how everything turned out. I feel like the sheets are very pretty. I like the gray color. Obviously you guys see that the bottom sheet is white and the pillows, the accent pillows are white as well too. Just to kind of give it still like a fresh look. I like the little portraits. I feel like it's even. If it's not, I still feel like it's cute. It's probably not even right now that I'm looking at it on the camera. But I still feel like it's very, very cute. I felt like I just needed like a little gold accent or something. So the gold frames from Ikea worked perfectly. Yeah, so this is basically it, guys. Love it, love it, love it. I was doing white sheets a lot, but I need to switch it up a little bit. And gray is a nice, cool color. I feel like this just makes the room look much, much better. Let me know what you guys think. So I went to the Dollar Tree today, picked up a few items, as you guys saw when I was in the store. I got some sponges, needed the sponges. I thought I was getting thumbtacks, but instead I picked up paper clips. I don't know how that happened. We're just going to let that go. I got some aluminum foil sheets, some index cards. I also got some command hooks or some knockoff command hooks. These are self-adhesive as well. I only have to get these because my reef on the door fell off. So these are actually pretty sturdy, guys. Like, I might have to get these instead of the ones I'm getting because these are very, very sturdy. The reef isn't that heavy, but these definitely do what they need to do. The weight and everything, the sizing and everything is right there so you guys can see it holds up to 2 pounds. I got myself a Vaseline. I'm going to put this near my bed because my lips be chapped in the night. I need to just have this with me at all times. Batteries, and then I got myself some ramen bowls, chicken. What I like to do with these, what I'm going to do with these is just kind of make these gourmet style. It's going to snow, I think, tomorrow night. I just want to have like a cozy night tomorrow. And I know this is like why you're eating this, but let me have it, period. I also did get 2 aluminum foil sheets. I need to actually purchase, I threw away the ones I had previously, the baking sheets. So I have to go to Home Goods. That'll be on my agenda when I go to Connecticut this coming week, since it's, you know. So when I go to Connecticut, I'm just going to pick up some real ones from Home Goods. But that was basically everything I got today, guys. I didn't really get that much stuff. I really needed a pedicure. As you guys saw, I got my pedicure. My Piggly Wigglies got done up. So that's what I really needed. Obviously, I'm going to get a pedicure in 2 weeks for my birthday trip. So, but for now, I need them just to get done because they looked crazy. So that was basically it for today's shopping excursion. I got the Rasta pasta out right now, so I'm going to go ahead and heat the Rasta pasta up. I got some asparagus left over from my... Why you're not focused? Focus! Yeah, so I got the leftover asparagus and a piece of chicken from today's meal earlier. When I got home, I had some chicken noodle soup, and that was that. So I am starving right now. So I'm about to heat up this food and body it. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so I'm actually in bed right now. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys, like, talk to you guys in a minute. And yes, I'm using that chapstick I got at Dollar Tree today. This is actually aloe vera. This is lip therapy with aloe vera. They have different ones at the Dollar Tree. You know, when you go to the Dollar Tree, you can find mad stuff. So, yeah, I don't really talk to you guys like that in, like, a while, guys. Like, usually, like, you know, since, you know, a lot of things have changed in my life and stuff like that, I usually talk to you guys a lot. But therapy has been just my place to like really talk about things in general. You guys obviously know that I don't even really discuss my past situation anymore. I really don't talk about that. I feel like I already got over that hurdle. I'm just moving on with my life, and a lot of good things are happening to me. Like, I'm having a good time, I'm traveling, I'm doing the solo thing, and it's just been really fun. I'm actually, like, Vlogmas is fun this year, guys, but I'm also feeling like, damn, I was trying to enjoy this solo Christmas by myself, or you get what I'm saying. But either way, I'm still doing this Vlogmas thing with you guys because I've already committed to it, so I'm just going to finish it off. I want to kind of, after Vlogmas ends, which I'm ending it on the 25th on Christmas Day because I ain't got time for that, I will do my birthday vlog, which you guys will see, like, after I come back because I want to enjoy the trip and I'm not posting videos while I'm gone. If I post videos up while I'm away, it'll probably already be edited and stuff like that because I'm not bringing my laptop. This is a solo birthday trip, my first solo birthday trip, first solo trip in general. So, well, not in general, you know what I mean, like out of the country. I've been in the US by myself a few times. You guys saw when I went to Vegas and Denver, but this is my first solo trip out of the country. And this trip was actually a trip that my therapist was like, I need you to take a solo trip out of the country by yourself. Because literally, if you guys watch all my vlogs, I literally travel with friends. I'm always surrounded by people, and that's a great thing to have people around in your life that you could travel with and do stuff with. But I don't ever think I've ever had a moment in solidarity. Is that? Yeah. I've never been by myself. Like, now I live by myself. I'm mostly by myself, but I've never ever been like by myself outside of my like dwellings, like outside of New York or outside of Connecticut, like that, like out of the US. So this will be my first time. I'm super excited for this. You guys will find out where I'm going. I've never been to this place before. This is another Caribbean island that's on my list. I have a few more to go to, obviously. Like, I still want to do St. Kitts. I want to do St. Martin. There's a whole bunch I want to do. I want to do Barbados. So I'm going to round those up soon. But if you guys have any more suggestions on places you guys want me to travel to next year, go ahead and leave that in the comments section, baby. Because I really need to, you know, next year I don't know if I'm going to be like so traveling a lot. I lied. You guys will see. But yeah, so I'm actually about to hop into bed and go to sleep. I'm really tired. I gotta actually turn the TV off. You guys can hear I'm watching Coach Carter in the living room. I don't know why, but hopefully you guys like the new little setup. I think it's very cute and cozy. I got my pajamas on. My pajamas are actually from Primark. It's a pajama dress. It's gray and it goes actually with the new gray sheets. So ooh wee baby. So I am about to end this vlog right here, guys. Like I said, I have not really like talked to you guys like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's you know, Vlogmas day number 12 video. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 12, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Before you go, don't forget to come back, guys.